Happy 4th of July and welcome to Mauckport Outdoors. On today's episode, we're celebrating America's birthday with these Chinese fireworks.
Yeah, we're going to be cooking a little bit, making some hot dogs and burgers on the grill grill, and we're going to go over the fireworks we have. So, y'all stay tuned.
Give you a quick run through of the fireworks we have here tonight. We got most of these fireworks down at Mauckport Fireworks. Try to put a description link below there for his Facebook page, but he's one of the exclusive distributors for these RGS brand fireworks here. They go directly to China and pick them out. Top-notch stuff. Real friendly people down there too at Mauckport Fireworks. But anyways, we got mortars, fountains, the big nasty, and we got swords, then the little firecrackers, smoke bombs, bottle rockets, just about anything you think of. Hawkins, go over some of this stuff.
Yeah, probably my favorite, if you're a series of the Breaking Bad series, we got the Breaking Hard firecracker. The Silent but Deadly Caution.
Always a crowd pleaser.
The Bloodbath. You know, good for the children. And for Carrie here, Pretty in Pink.
A little bit of something for
And
everybody.
for Pun.
Yeah.
And for Pun, the Big and Nasty. Again, another RGS brand from Mauckport Fireworks. And just a few odds and ends, Moon Travelers, stuff of that nature.
Yeah.
Some nice sparkler swords to go along with that.
That's right.
That's the little sort we're going to be letting off later. These Big and Nasties, they go out to Pun. He knows all about this.
These big and nasty, all right. Let's try these. Big and nasty, big and nasty.
Yeah!
This is for a kid? All right, folks. Getting to the good part now. We're throwing those burgers on.
Nothing more Americana than this.
No, perfect way to celebrate Independence Day. Some burgers over the campfire.
Hot dogs too.
And hot dogs. That's right. But, you know, been doing this just about a year now. And the YouTube thing, doing better than we thought we ever would, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We thank you for all that you're doing here. Liking, subscribing. You know, sharing on Facebook. Commenting on the videos is great. We love it.
That's right.
But we're going to get these dogs going.
Uh-oh, we missed
Lost
one.
Lost one.
That's okay.
So we'll just wash it off.
Okay.
Get this food cooking here, and
We'll call that a floor model.
soon to be the fireworks show.
Yeah.
So,
Fireworks are coming soon. Hang in there with us. My God, Hawkins, what a spread.
Yeah, came up with some burgers. Got the cheese on there, some cheddar cheese on there. Nice hot dogs, tater salad. We got all the fixings right there with some mustard and ketchup.
Yeah.
We're ready to chow down.
It looks like it ought to be on some kind of cooking magazine, really. Looks good.
But no, it's here on Mauckport.
It's here on Mauckport Outdoors. You saw it here first, folks. We're going to chow down and then get to the fireworks. All right, folks. Kind of lied to you a little bit. Opening. Not all of our fireworks came from Mauckport Fireworks tonight. We got a 26.5mm flare launcher. This isn't a pistol. This is a flare launcher. We got this little flare. And these would be, hey, they're handy during the 4th of July as such. But this would also be good for a survival bag. Hawkmar Outdoors. Load it up. Cock the hammer. Five firework packs. We'll twist it together. See if we can't get them all to go off. Oh, I think we have ignition. Well, we're just waiting on it to get dark now. We figured we got a campfire going. Why not make some s'mores?
Yeah. Have Carrie make some s'mores up here for us. Again, nothing more Americana than that. I know people are kind of particular about the marshmallows, how they like them made, so we're gonna show her cooking up some s'mores for y'all.
I like mine well toasted.
Mine too. Almost on fire.
Folks, that looks like the perfect s'more. Marshmallows just cooked up just right, a little crunch on them. Hawkmar Outdoors approved. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Well, folks, thanks for watching Hawkmar Outdoors. Remember, be safe this 4th of July holiday. Have a good time. American #1, baby!